What if I told you that the safest thing you can do right now has nothing to do with your job? Because here's what nobody wants to say aloud. The people who waited for the perfect time to start something, well, those people are still waiting. And every month they wait, someone else is already 6 months ahead of them, building contracts, building income, building something that just flat out can't be taken away. Now, I don't want that to be you. So in this video, I'm going to give you 3 very motivating reasons why right now, not next year, not when things calm down, right now is the best time to build something of your own. Let's get right into it. All right, so there are 3 things legitimately worldwide right now that are going to make you waiting on starting this business the risky move. Like, it's honestly the move that's the scary thing to do. So let me prove it to you. Let me start by asking you a question. When was the last time you actually felt secure at your job? Not comfortable, not used to it. I mean, actually secure. Because right now, IT departments are getting cut in half. Marketing teams that used to have 8 people, well, those things are shrinking down to 3. What about finance roles? Finance positions where it used to take years to get up to speed. Well, AI is now learning these roles and completing tasks that would take a human 8 hours, and they're doing it in less than 1. But it's not just those either. I'm talking about HR. I'm talking about project management. I'm talking about operations. These are not low-level skills. These are jobs people went to college for. And maybe one of these is yours. And companies aren't doing this because things are bad. That's what makes it kind of crazy. They're doing it because AI makes it so much cheaper to run lean. And when a company can save $1 million by cutting your department, well, they will. Now, here's what makes starting a cleaning business completely different. Because you can't automate scrubbing toilets. You can't outsource a medical office that needs to be disinfected every single night. And at this point, you cannot replace a dedicated background check team that comes into your location every night, does a great job top to bottom, making sure your office or their office is as clean as it could possibly be. See, while all these white-collar jobs are being reshaped by software or AI bots, this business runs on something software can never replace. Real work, real trust, real contracts. And that's the point I'm trying to make here, because the faster the world changes, the more AI reliant it becomes, the more valuable it's going to be for someone like you to have a cleaning business that you own outright. Which brings me to reason number 2. You cannot wait. You can't afford to keep waiting on starting this business. Because even if you know all of this, people still won't do anything about it. I mean, that's just the truth. And there is one specific reason why. And that is because you're not ready. That's the trap. Here's a thought that sounds responsible, but it's actually killing you. You say to yourself something like, I just need a little bit more time to prepare. Now, I hear this all the time, and I get it. It feels like a smart move. It feels like the prudent decision to try to figure out how to get all your ducks in a row. But here's what's actually happening. While you prepare, someone else just landed their first contract. And then a month or 2 after that, they've landed their second high-ticket contract. And a month after that, maybe another month after that, they've landed their third. And now just after a few months, they have a budding business that is running. And the only thing you have running currently is a clock. See, in a business like this, time in the game matters more than talent. See, the first contract a beginner lands, it gives you massive confidence. The second one gives you this feeling of like, hey, I have proof here. I got a system. The third one is massive momentum. And it just keeps stacking from there. See, just 6 months from today, if you had to know how, if you knew exactly what to do, exactly how to target clients and land them, in 6 months, you can land 3 to 4 offices, be in a ballpark of $15,000 to $20,000 per month. And this is all without you ever picking up a mop. See, this person will have systems in place, a crew that's running the cleaning, contracts renewing month after month. And the person who waited 6 months to start, they haven't even landed their first contract yet. They don't know what it feels like to have their same client. And this is somebody with the same intelligence, same drive, same desire, just 6 months behind, perpetually, always 6 months behind. See, that's not a small gap. That's a completely different life. Just imagine having a business on the side, generating real money, even if it was just 2 office contracts. We're in a ballpark of $9,000 to $10,000 per month, and all you do is send cleaners to do the cleaning. See, the clock is always running, no matter what. The only question is it running for you? But here's what a lot of people I see, they get wrong. Because once they finally decide to start, well, they pick the wrong thing entirely. And that's why reason number 3 is going to show you exactly what I mean. Everyone is chasing sexy when you should be chasing boring. Everybody wants the exciting business. I talk about this all the time. They want the app, they want the brand, they want the thing that goes viral. But most of those people just end up broke. It's just the reality of it. While exciting is unpredictable. See, exciting doesn't renew every month. Exciting doesn't stack that well. But you know what does stack well? Offices that get dirty every night. See, they don't stop needing to get clean because the economy shifted. They don't pause because of a slow quarter. They'll sign a contract and pay you monthly. And if you do good work, they're going to keep paying you year after year after year after year. See, the next time you drive to the office, I want you to think about the hundreds and hundreds of offices that you pass. And I want you to think to yourself that, man, if I just got 3 of these offices at a very, very conservative number, put you in a ballpark of $12,000 per month. And that's something you could accomplish in the next 90 days. What about a business doing $30,000 per month where you're pocketing about $10,000 cash without doing any cleaning? See that right there? I mean, 6 to 8 months. 6 to 8 months, that is your reality. If you want it, if you can finally say, I'm ready to do this, I'm ready to go all in. Now, look, I get it. You got a full schedule. Your job takes a lot of what you already have to offer. And how are you supposed to build a business on top of all that? Here's the thing. People do it every single day. And it's not by working more hours. It's just by working smarter. So if you want to build a 6-figure cleaning business when you have a crazy hectic schedule, you want to see how you can actually do it, watch this video right here. I'll show you exactly how. I'm waiting for you over there.